Recently, three of my friends got jobs in three different countries. One of them got a job in India of 3 lakhs Indian rupees. Another one got the job in United States of 12,000 US dollar. And the third one got the job in Germany of 10,000 euros. Now, my question is, who is getting the better salary? You can say here, first one is getting 3 lakh Indian rupees, and we know 1 US dollar equal to almost 80 Indian rupees. So, second one is getting 12,000 into 80 equals to almost 10 lakhs Indian rupees. And we know 1 euro equal to almost 90 Indian rupees. So, third one is getting 10,000 into 90 equals to almost 9 lakhs Indian rupees. And hence, the second one is getting best salary of 10 lakhs. Third one is getting second best salary of 9 lakhs, and the first one is getting the lowest salary of 3 lakhs, right? Wrong. Technically you are right, but according to the purchasing power parity, this is not the right way to calculate. What is this purchasing power parity again? Don't worry, I am here to explain.
Okay.
So hi and welcome to How to Abroad, and we are here to discuss what is purchasing power parity and how does it calculate. We will also discuss the importance of PPP and the limitations of it. PPP is not only dependent on the exchange rate, rather it also depended on the living cost in each country. PPP works by comparing the prices of a basket of goods and services in two different countries. The basket of goods and services typically includes items such as food, housing, transportation, and clothing. The idea is that if the same basket of goods and services has a different cost in different countries, then the exchange between those two countries should adjust to reflect those differences in price levels. This is too confusing. Okay, listen. Suppose you are purchasing cold drinks in India with 80 Indian rupees, and in USA it costs you 5 US dollars. Now let's calculate what will be the exchange rate according to purchasing power parity. It's not a big deal. We just need to divide it. Just do 80 by 5 equals to 16 by 1, which means 1 US dollars equal to 16 Indian rupees. And 1 equals to 16 is the purchasing power parity of India and USA. Okay, it was just an example to understand better. The actual PPP of USA and India is 1 USD equals to around 22 rupees. Exchange rate of euros is a little bit higher than US dollars, and that is why we are assuming 1 euros equals to 23 Indian rupees, just to understand it better. But if you want to know the actual PPP of each country, I am putting the list link in the description. You can check out from there. Now let's go back to the salary part. So we know first one is getting 3 lakh Indian rupees. Second one was getting 12,000 US dollars. And according to PPP, which is 12,000 into 22 equals to 2 lakhs 64,000. And now third one was getting 10,000 euros. According to PPP, it is 10,000 into 23, which is equals to 2 lakh 30,000. And now we can see which is the best salary according to the cost of living in the particular country. But what is the importance of triple P? Why will I calculate this? Triple P is important for several reasons. First, it allows for a more accurate comparison of living standards between different countries. Second, triple P is important for international trade. If exchange rates do not reflect the differences in price levels between different countries, it can lead to distortion in trade flows. And triple P is important for investors who are interested in investing in different countries. It can help identify the inflation rate of a country and is important for business. But yes, there are some limitations too. Despite its advantages, triple P does have limitations. One of the major limitations is that it assumes that the same basket of goods and services is available in all countries. However, this is not always the case, especially for goods and services that are specific to a particular country or region. For example, the cost of sushi in Japan will not be the same as in United States because the quality and availability of fish are different in each country. Another limitation of PPP is that it does not take into account non-tradable goods and services, such as haircuts and healthcare. Non-tradable goods and services are those that cannot be easily traded across borders because they are specific to a particular country or region. And this is all about PPP, purchasing power parity. And if you want to know about anything else, to comment down below and let me know. And if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you, bye bye, and take